Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can recover the things from trashpad. If you have deleted any kind of file, folder or video and you want to recover them, you can also do that. So let's do it practically. So first of all, as in folder, as you can see, I'm going to delete this one. For deleting this, we have to press the command and delete button. So let's click on those. As you can see, after pressing on those keys, the folder has been deleted. And now simply we need to open this trashpad and double clicking on this. As you can see, the folder is here, which is called second 10. This was the folder which I deleted. Now simply you need to press the control, and after that you have to click on this and the options will be open. If you don't want this, simply you have to tap on the mouse pad with double finger. So let's click on this, and after tapping on this, as you can see, has an option for the put back. So we have to click on the put back, and after clicking on the put back, as you can see, the folder is back. So in this way you can back your folder, you can delete your folder from trash. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.